So this is the RoboCopp Sound Grenade and it's priced around $8, which converts to around 480 rupees. Again, the price differs from $5 to $10 according to its colors, which is quite weird, I would say. But this product can save your life. It has SOS alarm which gets very loud. It goes up to 120 decibels, which is very loud for a normal human ears. And I know some of you are thinking like how a loud noise can save a life. So let's suppose you are in an emergency situation where someone is trying to rob you, they're trying to take your money, or someone is following you and you're thinking that they're planning to kidnap you. At that situation, you can just pull out this pin and it will make very loud noise that will bring attention of other people's, and that can help you. Again, on Amazon, some people have shared their stories how this sound grenade has helped them. Again, I will be putting the link in the description, you can check that out. And here it says crime deterrent, which I have already told you, animal repellent. So if you are in forest and if some wild animals are coming to you, it can repel them. Rescue signals, and also it's permitted on airplanes. So now let's unpack it. So this is the sound grenade itself, and I must say it's very lightweight. It just weighs around 20 grams and it's completely made up of plastic, but again the build quality feels very rugged, and also it's water resistant. Again, I repeat, it's just water resistant, it's not waterproof. If you totally submerge in water, I think it will die because it has some gaps here. So again, it's just water resistant, it's not waterproof. And at this side it has a grill for alarm, and also you get a carabiner. Through this you can hang it to your backpack. So now let's try it, and before trying this, I recommend if you're wearing earphones, just lower down its voice just for the safety. So now let's try it and let's pull out the latch. And I must say guys, this thing is very loud. I mean, if I hear it for a long time, I think I will become deaf. This thing is super loud. And also at the back side it gives warning that don't hear it for a long time because it can cause permanent hearing loss. So please don't hear it for a long time. And also talking about the battery life, it says it can give you battery life for around 30 minutes for continuous alarm use or for 1 year. And also here it highly recommends that test device every month, replace device annually for safety. So overall guys, I would say this thing is really amazing. If you're already using like a paper spray or taser for defense purpose, you can also use this. It's very compact, but again it can't replace those things, but it's really amazing. And for the price, honestly I would say I feel it's a little bit at an expensive side, but again it's worth to pay because it can save our life. And also guys, I have a small announcement. Just follow me on my Facebook page because from tomorrow onwards daily I will be posting about gadgets which are having very huge discounts, and that can save you lots of money. So just follow me on my Facebook page to get all those discounts. And also if you are new here, subscribe now to watch more cool videos.